Notice too in the main configuration screen, the picture of the lock, you could see it corresponds to unlock. It's unlocked now, allowing me to change these parameters. Anytime security personnel changes these things, they should lock it. And you'll see the lock denoted on here. They can remove their key. Nothing can be touched or changed here. In fact, the power can't even be shut off. They're locked out. So once it's set up, security personnel has this key. Keep in mind, it's like two-factor authentication, layers of security. When this key is put back in and unlocked, it's going to ask for my passcode again. So I have to keep that passcode handy and I have to enter that in. And now it's all again unlocked. You'll see the unlock, it matches the unlock here. Again, layers of security keep devices like this from being tampered or messed with, so nobody could jimmy the lock and try to change the settings and get away with sneaking in a wireless device.